The smartest way to prepare for TIFR GS biology exam. First things, you should know the exam pattern. Like there are 4 sections. Then how many questions are there? 15 questions in each section are there. First 10 questions are of 1 mark. Last 5 questions are of uh, 2 marks, right? And you should check past year papers, solve them. Your basics should be strong. Follow the standard books. Then you should prepare one-page summaries of all the concepts. You should practice questions daily. Time-bound practice is very important, like solving mock test. And then you should keep a mistake book. Then try to solve each question from basic principles. Do not try to put some very complex calculations and stuff. First approach the problem from first principles. Then you should have a clear cut revision plan. Daily revision is must. And then you should focus on your weak areas. Then it's very effective strategy that when you discuss it with your peers, you learn more. So in the upcoming slides, I have just elaborated these points. So I will just highlight few important things. To crack TIFR biology exam, out of this general aptitude and biology, these two should be your strongest points. And out of physics and chemistry, try to solve around 10 questions from chemistry at least. So therefore you should devote your most time in biology, followed by aptitude and chemistry. And then for physics, you just prepare formula sheets, you revise few of the concepts, basic concepts, and you are good to go. I would like to mention about Scibits TIFR GS 2026 crash course. This crash course is live on scibits.in. You can go and see the features of this course. Daily lectures have been provided and TIFR level practice quizzes are there. After each lecture there is a quiz, and then there are special classes on subjective question practice. So please check out, the link is in the description. So the most important thing is you should prepare one-page summaries of the topics, because when you prepare one-page summaries, it will take less time for you to revise those. So do prepare formula sheets, one-page summaries, and also practicing similar TIFR level questions is very important, because just studying, revising won't help. And time bound practice is important, because at the end of the day, how you manage and how you choose questions on those last 2 hours matters for your rank in the exam, no? So it's better if you do time bound practices. For this you can use mock tests, and also keep a mistake book. In the mistake book, whatever questions you are doing wrong, you should write those mistakes. If you are forgetting some formula every time, you just write the formula, revise it again and again. So I would like to mention about Scibits TIFR GS 2026 mock test. There are 10 mock tests. After you attempt mock test, you will get explanation of those questions. There are resources for subjective aptitude questions, and graph-based data interpretation questions are provided separately. So you can check out this crash course or this mock test. Both the links are in the description, or you can simply type on Google Scibits India. You will get the website. So a revision plan is important, and when you prepare your mistake book or error book, you will get to know your weak areas. You have to work on those, and it's better that like studying in a like group study. You have heard, no, it's proven that it is very effective, because when you like share your problems with the people, or if you are facing difficulty in some concept, when you discuss it with your peers, you tend to learn more, and also you will help them, they will help you. So together people tend to learn more. So for those, there are so many discussion groups, study groups are available. I have provided link for our Telegram group. It is in the description. You can consider joining the group. With this, I would like to end this video. Thank you and best wishes for your exam.